to DCodeMania. I am Sahil and you are watching 7th video of the project User Management System with Admin Panel. In previous video you have seen that how I have made the forgot password form functional. In that we have used PHP mailer library to send an email to the registered user with password reset instruction. Now today in this video I will show you how to design the reset password form and make the form functional. Okay, so let's start. So open your project and here in action.php file you can see I am sending this link to the user's email, and in this link you can see I am sending the current email and a token, and this token is generated using this unique ID function. And here in link you can see I am also sending a file name reset-pass.php. okay, so whenever an user click this link to reset his password, then he will be redirected to this reset-pass.php file. Okay, so let's first create this file. So create this file inside root directory of the project. Okay, so this is user-system is the root directory, so I will create this file inside this directory. Okay, and here in this file I will design the reset password form. Okay, so I will use the code of index.php file. Okay, so here just copy from here to this div. Okay, and paste here. Let's close the container div, close the body and close the HTML tag. Okay, now here what I will do is just come here and select PHP, just change this title to reset password. Okay, and now what I'll do is I will just remove this email field. Okay, so just remove this div from here. Okay, and also remove this login alert div. Okay, just remove this value attribute from this password field, and here just use mean length 5, and here in placeholder just write new password, and in name I will use pass. In ID I will not use ID here, so just remove this ID. And okay, now just remove this div from here. Okay, and just copy the same div for confirm new password. Okay, so here what I will write is in name I will write C pass. Okay, and here in placeholder I will write confirm new password. And okay, now in submit button in value I will change to reset password, and I will also not use ID here. Instead I will use name, and I will use submit value in name. Okay, now if we save this and go to the browser, and if we write reset-pass.php, and then let's see. Okay, so the icons are not displaying here, so let's come to index.php and scroll down, and let's copy the CDN link of font awesome and paste here just before the closing body tag. Save it and now refresh. So here you can see the icons. Now I will change the position of cards. Okay, so this card I will display this card to the left side and this card to the right side. So for this I will just cut this card from here and I will paste this here. Okay, now I will also change this right to left, and here in this card I will change this to right. Okay, if we save this and go to the browser, so it's looking perfect. Now I will also use flex grow 2 here. Okay, now here I will just remove all the uh, tags like HR tag, P tag and button, and here in H1 tag I will display a message, reset your password here. Here if we save this and go to the browser and refresh, then here you can see the text. Okay, now here just remove this and write enter new password, enter new password, enter new password, and just remove this ID from this form tag. Okay, and from here also just remove this login box. Save this. Now go to your browser, refresh. Now our password reset form is ready. Okay, now come here, go to auth.php file. Here I will define two methods. Okay, so first one is for user authentication to reset password. Okay, so here I will write some comment, reset password user auth. Okay, now here just write public function reset underscore pass underscore auth, and here I will use email and token parameter. Now just write the SQL query. So here I will write select ID from users table where email equal to placeholder email and token equal to placeholder token, and token should not be empty. So here I will check not equal to empty, and token underscore expire should be greater than current time. Okay, so here I will use now function, and deleted should not be equal to 0. It means user should not be deleted. Okay, now let's create statement variable, and using this from prepare SQL. Now execute the query. Statement execute. Now bind the parameters. So here I will use email placeholder, and just write the value $email. Here just write token and token variable. Okay, now let's define one more variable row, and using statement I will use fetch method and PDO fetch of property. Okay, now just use return row. Okay, now this method will authenticate user from the database with token. Okay, so I will show you later how this method will work. Okay, so now let's define another method for updating new password into the database. So here I will write update new password. Okay, and here I will write public function update underscore new underscore pass, and in parameter I will write pass and email. Okay, now let's write SQL query for this. So here I will write update users set token equal to empty, and sorry, password equal to placeholder pass, and here we will check condition where email equal to email and deleted not equal to 0. It means user should not be deleted. Now let's let's prepare this statement using this con and prepare statement, execute, bind the parameter, so pass and here email. Okay, now just use return true. Okay, now our both method is defined. Now let's come to the reset -pass.php file, and here in the top just open PHP tags, and first I will include this auth.php file. So here I will use require once, and here I will use assets/php/auth.php. okay, save and create an object of auth class. So here I am creating user object equal to new and auth class. Okay, now here what I will do first is I will check using if condition. If it's set, and here I will use super global variable get, and first I will check email, and then it's set, and here I will check for token. Okay, and we will grab the email and token from the URL into variable. So here just declare email variable, and using user object I will use test input method, and here I will again use get and just write email, just copy and just change this to token. Now here what I will do is I will create one more variable auth user equal to, now by using user object I will call reset _pass_auth, and here I will pass email and token. Now this auth user will contain the current user by looking into the entered email ID that will come from the URL, and and will check in the database users table that this email contains this token or not. Okay, so if this email will contain the token, so we will authenticate the user. So here I will use if auth user not equal to null, means user is authenticated successfully, then we will again use if statement here, and we'll use it set, and now this time I will use super global variable post, and I will use submit. Now here in form you can see there is a button with name attribute which have value submit. Okay, so I will use this is set function to check each if button is clicked or submitted. Then what I will do next is here I will create new pass equal to and post pass. Okay, so I will grab the password from this input field and this input field also. Okay, so for this just write here c pass and here just write c new pass. Okay, now next what I will do is I will just hash this new pass. So here I will create new variable h new pass equal to password underscore hash, and here I will pass new pass and password default algorithm. Okay, now again I will check a condition if new pass equal to c new pass. You will check both the password is matched, then only we will uh, store the new password into the database. Okay, so here I will use the user object and I will call the update underscore new underscore pass method, and here I will pass h new pass and email. Okay, and I will also define some successful message into this msg variable. So here I will write password changed successfully, and here I will use br tag for line break, and I will use anchor tag, and in href attribute I will write index.php, and just remove this title attribute, and here just write login here, login here. Okay, now just close this statement, and if both the password will not match, then we will also display error message password did not matched. Okay, and what if user is not authenticated? So in this case we will use else here, and we will use header function, and in location I will use index.php and exit function. And what if this condition is become false? So in this case also I will use here else statement, and I will use this same thing here also. So just paste and save. Now everything is ready. Now we have to just create this message variable globally. So just here create this message variable globally, and now we just have to display this message variable somewhere in the form. So here in form tag I will use div class text center and lead, and here I will use margin top and bottom. So here I will use my 2, and here I will use php shorthand tag and just use msg variable here. Okay, save this. Now go to your browser and just click on forgot password and write your email here. Click on reset password, wait for some time. So the mail has sent successfully. Now let's come here and refresh. So here you can see we received a mail from DCodeMania. So if we open this mail, then here we have a link with email that we have just entered and a token. So if you go to the database and refresh the users table, and this is the user that we want to reset the password. Okay, so here in token you can see 39D, and if we see here 39D means this token and this token is same. Now if user click this link, then it will be redirected to this sign in count, means user is not going to reset hyphen pass.php. so what's the problem? Let's check here. Select id from users where email equal to email, and okay, so here we have to write token. We have a spelling mistake. Now save. Now go to your browser. Now just click this. Now here you can see we are redirected to reset hyphen pass.php with email equal to this and token equal to this. Okay, now here you can see in reset hyphen pass.php we have used this line to get the email and token from the URL. Okay, so now if we write here some password and here some different password and try to reset, then here we can see a error message, password did not matched. Okay, so here we just have to where the form, I will not use, only use margin bottom 2. Okay, and let's refresh this. Now let's try to enter the both password correct. So here I will write in new password Wolfmania. Okay, so WOLFMANIA Wolfmania, and here in confirm new password here I will also write Wolfmania. So here Wolfmania and click on reset password. So here you can see password changed successfully. Now if I click here login here, then let's try to log in with the old password, then let's see what happens. So here you can see password is incorrect. Now let's try to log in with the new password Wolfmania and click on sign in. So you can see we are able to sign in with the new password. Okay, and now if we check the users table, then from here the token is token become empty. Okay, and here also, sorry, and if we again try to reset the password and click this link, then we will not redirect to reset hyphen pass.php file, because now here this reset pass underscore auth method will authenticate a user, and here it requires token, and here in this column, users column, there is no token. Okay, that's why the reset hyphen pass.php file will not open. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video I will show you how to create navigation bar of the home.php file. Okay, this home.php file and other pages like profile, feedback, notification. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like, share this video, and also subscribe this channel.